आज की इस वीडियो में हम देयर लेट और लेट्स को समझेंगे। यानी ऐसे वर्ड्स जो हम किसी चीज़ का होना, किसी काम को करने के लिए कहने और सजेशंस देने के लिए यूज़ करते हैं। चलिए देखते हैं कि हम डेली लाइफ में देयर लेट और लेट्स को कैसे बोलते हैं और उनका सही तरीके से यूज़ कैसे करते हैं। और वीडियो में जो कॉन्वर्सेशन होगी उसकी वोकेबलरी साइड में स्क्रीन पर ही दिखाई देगी। इससे आपको वीडियो पॉज करके वर्ड सर्च करने की बिल्कुल भी ज़रूरत नहीं पड़ेगी। उसके बाद हम 5 क्वेश्चंस करेंगे जो इस कहानी के बेसे पर होंगे। इन क्वेश्चन से ये पता चलेगा कि आपको कहानी कितनी समझ आई, क्योंकि दोस्तों स्पोकन इंग्लिश सीखने के लिए सबसे पहले एक गुड लिसनर बनना पड़ता है। अगर आप सुनने में स्ट्रांग हैं तो बोलना ऑटोमेटिकली ईजी हो जाता है। फिर आपको कुछ इंपॉर्टेंट वोकेबुलरी वर्ड्स दिए जाएंगे। ये वर्ड्स आपकी इंग्लिश इंप्रूव करेंगे। आपको इन्हें रोज थोड़ा टाइम निकल कर याद करना है। और लास्ट में आपको उन 5 क्वेश्चंस के करेक्ट आंसर्स बताए जाएंगे। तो चलिए दोस्तों, बिना टाइम वेस्ट किए शुरू करते हैं आज का इंटरेस्टिंग सेशन।
You know, Rohan, sometimes I just sit and think about life. There is so much peace in my home today. It feels different.
That's true, Aman. And there is always a connection between mind and body. If there is a peace inside, life feels better.
Exactly. There is no greater wealth than health. People forget this.
Hmm, let me tell you. Yesterday, my mom said the same thing. She said, Rohan, health is more important than money.
Wise words. Let's always remember that. Let's not chase only money. Let's also value our health.
Yes, Aman, let's promise each other today. Let's keep health first. By the way, Aman, do you remember last year? There were rats in our old house.
Ha ha ha. Yes, I remember. There was also a hole in your socks that day. We both laughed so much.
True, but there was no time to buy new ones. I was so busy.
That's okay. Such things happen. Let me tell you, small problems don't matter.
Exactly. Let's not stress about little things.
Yes, let's enjoy life instead of worrying. You know, there is a big pond near the temple in our village.
Oh, yes, I've seen it. There are also frogs in that pond, right?
Correct? And there are many children playing around it in the evening.
That place feels magical. Let's go there someday. Just sit and talk.
Sure, let me take my notebook too. I'll write some thoughts there.
Yes, and let's take some snacks also, so we can enjoy more. Aman, tell me honestly, do you think there is really a powerful king in history who ruled everyone perfectly?
Well, history says there were many kings, but I feel there is no king more powerful than truth itself.
That's deep. Let me share my view. I think there were great leaders, but they all faced struggles.
True, no one is perfect. Let's learn from their strengths.
Yes, let's not repeat their mistakes. Instead, let's take inspiration.
Exactly. Let's make our own life like a small kingdom where we rule with kindness. Rohan, I was thinking there is no end to learning. Every day teaches us something new.
Absolutely. Even small kids teach us lessons sometimes.
That's right. Let me give you an example. Yesterday, my little cousin fell down, but he got up without crying. That taught me resilience.
Beautiful. Let's also keep that attitude. Let's not cry over failures.
Yes, let's rise again and again until we succeed.
And let's help each other whenever we fall. You know, Aman, yesterday there was a meeting at the temple. The whole place was filled with positive energy.
Really? Was there a lot of peace?
Yes, and there were many people praying together. It was powerful.
I missed it. Let me join you next time.
Sure, let's go together this Sunday.
Yes, and let's not be late. I want to feel that peace too. Rohan, do you remember our school days? There was always a lot of noise in the classroom.
Haha, yes. There were always kids shouting and laughing.
But there was also one teacher who kept so much discipline.
True, he never let us talk too much in class.
Exactly, but let's accept it. That discipline helped us grow.
Yes, let's not forget those lessons even now. You know, Aman, yesterday there were some misunderstandings in my group project.
Oh no. Was there a big fight?
Not really, but there was a little argument.
That's okay, let me give you advice. Never let small issues break friendship.
You're right. Let's keep patience in such times.
Yes, let's solve problems with calmness, not anger. You know, in my village there are many kinds of flowers in the fields.
Wow. And there are also butterflies around them, right?
Exactly. It looks like a painting.
Amazing. Let's visit your village after exams.
Sure, let me guide you through the farm myself.
Great. Let's not miss the sunrise there. It must be beautiful. Aman, I feel sometimes there is too much pressure in studies.
Yes, there is stress everywhere among students these days.
But we can handle it. Let's not panic.
True. Let's make small goals and finish step by step.
Yes, let me prepare a timetable with you.
Good idea. Let's follow it together and motivate each other. You know, there will be a big festival in our city next month.
Really? There will be decorations everywhere?
Yes, and there will be lights in every street.
Wow. Let's go together and enjoy the fair.
Sure, let me also invite some friends.
Yes, let's not miss any ride or food stall. By the way, Aman, do you believe there will be stars visible tonight?
Yes, the sky looks clear. There will be thousands of stars.
Great. Let's sit on the terrace and watch together.
Sure, let me bring a mat to sit comfortably.
And let's talk about our dreams while looking at the stars.
Beautiful idea. Let's not waste this night. Let's make it memorable.
अब इस कहानी के कुछ क्वेश्चंस. 1. In which place was peace in Aman's home? 2. Near which place was a big pond? 3. What gives more wealth than money? 4. What will be full of lights next month? 5. Where will Aman and Rohan sit to watch stars? ये क्वेश्चंस इस कहानी पर बेस्ड हैं. पहले खुद से सोचिए, इसका आंसर आपको वीडियो के लास्ट में मिलेगा. अब चलिए देखते हैं कुछ इंपॉर्टेंट वोकेबलरी वर्ड्स जो आपको इस कहानी से याद रखने चाहिए. ये वर्ड्स आपकी इंग्लिश इंप्रूव करेंगे. अगर आपको ये वीडियो पसंद आई हो तो एक लाइक ज़रूर कर देना. ऐसे ही हेल्पफुल और इंटरेस्टिंग वीडियोस के लिए चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर लो और बेल आइकॉन भी दबा देना ताकि कोई भी वीडियो मिस ना हो. आपका सपोर्ट ही हमें और मोटिवेट करता है नए कंटेंट बनाने के लिए. मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में.